this off. Oh, that is loose yet. And there's a screen behind there. I got the fuel off. Let's see what this looks like. Oops. What size is that?
Spinner.
Where's that? Oh, what? Does that whole thing come off? Is that where it comes off? Oh, oh, there's a locking screw on there.
Gonna get fired.
Let me see.
To get.
So was he spinning that before or no?
He was spinning
The whole nose I was spinning.
The whole nose without taking that keeper thing out.
How was that spinning without taking that thing out?
Well,
Brute strength.
strength.
How did you... Well... Like I said...
Strength.
Strength.
I think there's gotta be some teeth missing, but you know.
I think it moved. Yeah, it's moving. There. No.
No way, man. It's out here in a sweatshirt and pants.
It's balmy.
Yeah, it is.
It's got to be what?
20.
It's probably 40, isn't it?
No.
30, 35 maybe. Oh, show them that I took that line off underneath the filter. From the filter to the pump.
Oh, what does that look like?
Show them.
Can you see it?
Is it tarred up or no?
No.
It looks perfect.
Really? Huh. You didn't roll it over at all, did you?
No. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I probably should just rolled it over today. It's so much warmer. It would have started probably.
Yeah, you could have just tried to see if you got any smoke.
Little loser.
Oh yeah, it's coming right off now.
Yeah.
Oh. You wanted me to mark it. How can I mark it? So this is right about, probably lined up with about there. What is Look at that hole. Wonder if that's supposed to be clean. I don't know. Let's put it back together. Turn the fuel on again. All right, we can't get fuel out of this again. We got to see what's going on. We got to pull them out. Oh, look at that again. Like more tar in there. Well, I'm going to pull that line off again.
So that is where the project currently sits. That was some footage from my dad that went up there maybe about 2 months ago, which was a couple weeks after we had originally gone up there. After we got back and did the original video, we were editing it, watched it a couple times. We read about that ROOSA Master pump lot, and it turns out there's a screen under that part that he took off that you can see in the video. And we wanted to make sure that that was unplugged because there's a little transfer pump, like a rotary vane transfer pump under there too, to pump fuel in the actual injection pump. Wanted to make sure the screen was unplugged and wanted to make sure that that transfer pump was working okay. Everything looked fine. One thing after editing this, looking back, I'm kind of interested in that hole that was through the center of that screen. That's actually for the return fuel, I believe, and that does need to be free in order for that pump assembly to work correctly. So next time, obviously you can see we got tar on the lines again. We bought some new lines, but I think he cleaned them out pretty well too. He brought them home this time, which was smart. We're going to make sure we're getting good fuel to the pump, either through use of a temporary tank like someone commented in the last video, which is a great idea. If you're watching this, I appreciate that. Temporary tank, new fuel lines, get fuel to it. It's May now, so next time we go up there it'll be warmer. We should be able to get it rolling over a little better, and then we'll be able to see exactly what's going on. If we're still not getting fuel to the injection lines, we're going to have to dive into that ROOSA Master pump a little bit more and see, you know, if that's kind of plugged up, that little hole in the middle in there. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see, which will be now part 3 on the video. The pressure's on for part 3. I think if we don't go up there and get it started this next time, I'll probably be bringing a trailer up there and we'll yank it on the trailer and bring it back, just because it's kind of hard to work on a dozer in a place like that. I don't know about you guys, but I'm tired of seeing stuff not start. So I am going to start something in this video. So this is my truck. Just painted it about 2 weeks ago finally. My dad actually helped me. It hasn't ran in since July of last year, so 10 months. Done a ton of work to it, new everything, you know, intercooler on it. 10 months, 7.3 power stroke. Let's do it live. I don't even know if it's gonna roll over. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you next time.